Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Yurish Bakong and I will tackle about amino acid structure, name, 3-letter and 1-letter code. All of the proteins in the face of the earth are made up of the same 20 amino acid, linked together in a long chain called polypeptides. So amino acid are the building blocks for the vast assortment of proteins found in all living cells. So amino acid function as the building blocks of protein that is made up of basic amino group, an acidic carboxyl group, and an organic R group that is unique to each amino acid. So the term amino acid is short for alpha amino carboxylic acid. 9 of these amino acids are considered essential, so they must be consumed in the diet, while 5 are considered non-essential, so in that they can be made by the human body. So the remaining 6 protein-building amino acids are conditional, being essential only at certain life stages or in certain disease state. So some authorities recognize the 21st amino acid selenocysteine, which is derived from the serine during protein biosynthesis. So the origin of the single letter code for the amino acid. So Dr. Margaret Oakley D. Hoff, arguably the founder of field of bioinformatics, shortened the code from the 3-letter designation to the single letter code in an effort to reduce the size of the data files needed to describe the sequence of amino acid in a protein. So to develop a single letter code for the amino acid, Dr. Dayhoff attempted to make the code as easy to remember as possible. So here, as you observe, the first letter of the name of amino acid is used as a single letter code. And for the 3-letter code, the first 3 letter of the name of the amino acid is used. So here in the second table, as you observed, the first letter of the name of the amino acid is used as a single letter code. And for the 3-letter code, the first 3 letter of the name of the amino acid is used for the 3-letter code. So some of the other amino acids are phonetically suggestive. Example, for arginine we have R, for phenylalanine with F, for tyrosine we have Y, for tryptophan we have W. For the remaining 5 amino acids, Dr. D. Hoff assigned the letter D, N, E, and Q respectively. By the time Dr. D. Hoff got to lysine, he used the letter K, explaining that K is near in the L in the alphabet. All amino acids have the same basic structure, that is made up of basic amino group, an acidic carboxyl group, and an organic R group that is unique to each amino acid. So the following are structure of the following amino acid. So we have here the structure of nonpolar amino acid. This is an amino acid that have no polarity because this amino acid have equal number of carboxylic acid group and amine group. So we have here the polar uncharged amino acid that is form multiple hydrogen bond. So they prefer to project into the aqueous phase. So if they are inside the protein, they are hydrogen bond to other buried polar groups. So this is the acidic amino acid. It is polar and negatively charged. So this is the R group of glutamate and aspartate. So this is the structure of arginine, histidine, and lysine. So they are a basic amino acid and it has a neutral pH. Thank you for listening and I hope that all of you understand the structure, name, the 3-letter code, and the 1-letter code of amino acid.